Yeah, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Now it's afternoon in China now. Okay, so my colleague already introduced our VD2 and VD2F and VD3E server. So many clients ask me what's the difference between VD2 and VD2F and VD3E. Now, today I want to introduce the difference of introducing the difference. Okay. So look at this slide. You can see this one is VD2F, and this is VD2A, and this is VD2B. So for the difference, I will introduce VD2F is the economic design of the VD2. So it's the economic versions of the VD2. So as you know, VD2, we have two mainboards inside. One is in the control mainboards, and the other one is in the power mainboards. But for VD2F, there's only one mainboard inside. So we integrate control mainboards and power mainboard together. That's why VD2. That's why VD2 is in the can be economic. Okay, and also VD2 app is designed for the small machines. Small machine has budget requirement applications. So VD2F power is from 0.1 kilowatts to 1 kilowatts. 0.1 to 1 kilowatts, and the power supply is 220. And for VD2, we have minimum minimum from 0.2 kilowatts to 5.5 kilowatts, and also we have the 380 power supply for VD2. The power is from the 2 kilowatts to 5.5 kilowatts. So you can see the VD2 has VD2 series has bigger powers. So the second difference is the interface difference. So you can see from here. VD2 is this one pins is only CM2 is only 15 pins. Only 15 pins. For VD2 here, we have the 44 pins. So that means VD2F has less IOs and no external inputs. So remember, VD2F low external inputs. So you can't use the external to control VD2F to control VD2. This is one difference. Okay. The second difference is in the on the top you can see this is the RJ45 interface. For VD2 on the top is for RS485 model-bus communications, but for VD2F you need to set send the parameter to choose the RS422 or RS485. If you choose RS422, so this server can connect to the PC software. This can connect to the PC software, and if you set into RS485, so it can communicate by model-bus. So also you can see here VD2F and VD2F and VD2. You can see VD2 we have the this one, we have the CN3, we have the RJ45, RS485, 42 for PC software. Here VD2F no miss RJ45, okay? No miss RJ45. And here you can see this is the VD2B. VD2B is bigger. It's a bigger size on the VD2A. So VD2B is for large power servos, large power servo. So because it's large power, because it's large, so it's bigger. So what's the difference between the VD2B and VD2A? Here is the VD2A. You can see VD2B and VD2A. So VD2B is bigger. VD2B is bigger. So for power supply, VD2B on the top L1, L2, L3, you need to connect to 220s, and also L1C and L1C2 you need to connect to 220 power supply too. So you need to connect control mable need to connect 220 power supplies, and power mables need to connect 220. But for VD2A, you don't need to connect. You don't need to connect. You only here only connect one times. You don't need to connect two times. Okay. So here is the only VD2A. You don't only connect one times. 220. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. So this is the difference between VD2A and VD2B and VD2F. 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 Now I want to introduce the difference between the VD2 and VD3E. VD3E. Okay. So you can see from here, from VD3E we have the zero. This is the VD3 for small power. The left side, right side is in the bigger. It's a bigger power. It's a bigger power. Bigger power. So for VD3E, for VD3E, first difference is in the Type C. For VD3E is using the Type C to connect the PC software. This is the first difference. And the second difference is in on the top buttons, on the top RJ45, it's for EtherCAT communication. EtherCAT communication. Okay, EtherCAT communication. And the pins is in the 15 pins. 15. This is one is in the 15 pins. VD3E only supports EtherCAT communications, low external inputs and less I/O compared with the VD2. So VD3 is only support EtherCAT communication, can't support Modbus, can't support PLC power control. Okay, let me repeat again. This is very important. Let me repeat again. So for VD3E, only supports EtherCAT, can't support Modbus, and also can't support PLC pulse control. For VD2 and VD2F, can support Modbus controls and PLC pulse control. Okay, so this is the main difference. Currently, our VD3E, the powers on our VD3E is the same as in the VD2s. From the 0.2 kilowatts to 5.5 kilowatts, or 5.5 kilowatts. Okay. So this is the main difference. This is the main difference of the VD2F, VD3E. So so you can see here. This is the Type C is for the PC software. You can connect here for PC software. For VD2 and VD2F, you need to use these cables. One side is in the USB, and the other side is in the RJ422 to connect the PC software. Okay. So if you have any questions of our server, you can contact us directly. Thank you for your time.